Checking your account balance on Qapital is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Open the Qapital app. Launch the Qapital app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet for proper functionality. Step 2. Log into your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SOC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can view an overview of your financial information. Step 4. Locate your account balance. Look for the section labeled Account Balance or similar wording. Your current balance should be displayed prominently on the dashboard. Step 5. Review additional details. If you want to see more information about your transactions or savings goals, explore the other sections of the app. This can provide a deeper insight into your financial status. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Qapital. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you stay on top of your finances.